How to fix Apex Legends no servers found. 1. Check server status. 2. Check your internet. 3. Update the game. 4. Change the launcher. FYI, Apex Legends is free on both Origin and Steam. 5. Run program as admin. 6. Exit other programs or clean boot your system. 7. Update network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Disable your proxy settings via the inic.cpl tool. Run IP protocol configuration /flush command as admin. Other plans are 9. Point 1. NetShare WinSock reset NetShare in IP reset 9.2. IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew 9.3. IP protocol configuration /flush endstat r NetShare in IP reset /reset log.txt NetShare WinSock reset 10. Update your PC. 11. Try another DNS server IP. 12. Restart File Explorer. 13. Reset your network settings.